perfect ball inside that thing there. Now, trick is how to put this on, how to hold this in here and still use my other hand. Maybe I can stick my head in there and hold it up. Put the screw in. There it is. Let's try again. Okay, got the screw started. Got the front screw almost tight. I should be able to get the rear screw. So let's see, I spent like $8 a piece for these things. It's like $25, and it was under $30 with the shipping. This is our new dryer, which I guess we bought 15 years ago. So it ain't so new anymore. But for 30 bucks, we'll put it back together again. So that's that. That's one in. Okay, it's almost there, it's there. Hey. This is a paying job now. Got me one genuine dime here. That was inside that baffle. So that meant that this baffle couldn't have been very tight up against the drum because a dime was able to slide in there. And actually I'm looking at this right now. I'll show you this here. This one, you can see down in there, see where it's cracking? This one was about to go too. Okay, this one's tightening up. I think this is the last screw on the last baffle. That one's tight. That one's tight. And now, just for measure, I'm going to check the other ones. Okay, here we go. Where's my dryer? There's the baffle number 1, baffle number 2, and baffle number 3. Yeah, anytime your dryer's apart, you gotta vacuum it. So just do yourself a favor, vacuum it as often as you can, because that's the number 1 cause of poor performance and fires. I'll put the thing back together. Take out my official. Well, we should really vacuum this too. This thing just goes in the clips in the bottom. Takes a bit to push them in there. Oh yeah, but these clips that hold the top go on first. Just wonder why I didn't have enough screws. The screw goes there, and this thing goes. Take the screw out of it first. This thing. up. Screws into the machine. This piece comes up. Remember, these are the screws that were kind of dummies here. Just go on this little plastic thing. You'll have an easier time with your dryer because you're not fighting with the video camera. Get the door. Remember, the door's got hooks on it, so it slides in. Pieces slide in. Come on. Alright, I got one. So I'm going to get the screw started. Like that. All right. Lid screen back in, close the door, fire it up. One last thing to do here. Take out your brewski. Christen the watt dryer. Ready to roll.